Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Netspend on iPhone. Netspend is a US-based prepaid debit card and financial service provider. The Netspend mobile app allows users to manage their prepaid card easily from their iPhone. With the app, you can check your account balance in real time, view transaction history, add money to your card, set up direct deposit. And if you want to download and install the Netspend app on your iPhone, follow the step-by-step guide below. First, connect to your internet connection and open to your app store. And once you reach into this app store interface, bottom there's a search bar. Tap on that search bar and type down Netspend and search for it. And from the search bar, you need to select to the Netspend Skylight 1. And over here, what you can do is tap on this get, and if prompted, you need to confirm using a Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The download will begin immediately after that, and you will see a small loading circle indicating installation progress. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.